Are you tired of manually reassigning Salesforce records one by one? Learn how to mass transfer all accounts, opportunities, and cases in under 2 minutes. First, we'll access the Mass Transfer tool. Then, I'll show you exactly which options to select to transfer everything at once. Start by clicking on the Quick Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Then, from the drop-down, click on Open Advanced Setup to access the Setup menu. In the Quick Find box, type in Mass Transfer to filter the setup options. Now, click on Mass Transfer Records from the search results to open the Mass Transfer tool. First, click on Transfer Accounts to begin the account transfer process. Then, click on the Transfer From box to select the user whose records you want to transfer. Type in the username of the user you're transferring records from. Next, type in the username of the user you want to transfer records to in the Also Transfer To field. Check the box for Transfer Open Opportunities Not Owned by the Existing Account Owner to include those. Also check Transfer Closed Opportunities if you want to move those as well. Now, check Transfer Open Cases Owned by the Existing Account Name to include open cases. And finally, check Transfer Closed Cases to include closed cases in the transfer. Click on the Account Name field to set the filter for which accounts to transfer. Then, click on Equals to specify that you want accounts matching a specific name. Type in the exact account name you want to transfer. Click Find to search for accounts matching that name. Finally, click Transfer to complete the mass transfer of the selected records. That's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.